the steps on how to fill it out. So in each of the boxes, you'll either key in your information or you'll choose from one of the drop downs. So for name, you can enter your name here. You'll enter today's date. The first question, I plan to graduate. That's a drop down. So you'll choose a date of when you plan to graduate. So if you're thinking that you will graduate in June 2020, 2021, you'll select that date there. Next question, number 2, after high school, I plan to choose from one of the following. So if I am planning on going to community college, I will enter that there. And the career that I plan to pursue after high school, I will put that here. So I will put cosmetology because I would like to do people's hair, makeup, and nails. Number 4, to do this career, I will need education or training at. So that's where you can list the specific school that you plan on receiving education or training. So I will list Santa Monica College. And number 5, after high school, I plan to live. So you can choose from each of those choices. So I plan on living with roommates. And to live this way, I will need to, so this is where you can put what you need to do in order to reach this goal. So in order to do this, I will need to save money, find an apartment, and also find a roommate. Find roommate. And number 7 is a general question asking about this entire form. So of any of these numbered items here, what do you feel like you need help with? So one thing that I think I need help with before I leave high school would be that I need to get help opening up a bank account. And I would also like help completing the application for Santa Monica College. So I'll say opening a bank account and applying for Santa Monica College. And that is it. So then you will upload this on Schoology to your teacher.